Welcome to Hungary, a land where history meets breathtaking beauty. From the majestic peaks of Visegrad to the tranquil shores of Lake Balaton, every corner holds a story waiting to be told. Join us on a journey through stunning landscapes, ancient castles, and vibrant culture. In just a few minutes, discover why Hungary is a treasure trove of unforgettable moments. One Buda Castle and Fisherman's Bastion Budapest highlight the stunning architecture and panoramic views of the Danube River and Parliament building, perfect for sunrise or sunset shots. Second, Lake Balaton. Known as the Hungarian Sea, this massive freshwater lake offers picturesque scenery, sailboats, and charming lakeside towns, ideal for aerial drone shots. Third, Hortobágy National Park. Capture the expansive Hungarian Great Plains, unique wildlife, and traditional shepherd culture. Include shots of the iconic Nine-Arch Bridge. 4. Eger Castle and Valley of the Beautiful Women. Showcase Eger's medieval castle and famous wine cellars. Combine history with local wine culture. 5. Pécs, Cella Septicora, and the Mosque of Pasha Qasim. Highlight the blend of Roman ruins, Ottoman architecture, and cultural heritage in this southern city. 6. Visegrad Castle and the Danube Bend. Shoot the dramatic views of the Danube Bend from the hilltop castle. Great for nature lovers and history enthusiasts. 7. Debrecen's Great Church and Nagyerdő Forest combine shots of Hungary's second-largest city with its lush surrounding forest. Pair urban charm with natural beauty. 8. Szentendre, the artist's village. Highlight the cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and vibrant art scene of this quaint riverside town. Perfect for vibrant, close-up visuals. 9. Agtelek National Park and Baradla Cave. Explore Hungary's largest cave system, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with stunning stalactites and underground formations. 10th. Tokaj Wine Region. Showcase the picturesque vineyards and wine cellars in Hungary's most famous wine region. Include tastings or cultural activities.